If there's one dish that makes kids and adults run to the kitchen, it's these cheesy chicken tacos. Seriously, they're irresistible, and today I'm going to show you how to make them without wasting a second. I started with 1 onion, roughly chopped. Then blitzed it in my hand chopper. Next, I chopped 1 medium tomato, a little yellow bell pepper, ¼ green capsicum, and 2 green chilies, fresh, colorful, and ready to go. Now for the chicken, 1 kilogram, cut into bite-sized pieces. For the marinade, I used salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, ½ teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, a dash of oregano, one teaspoon garlic powder, juice of 1 lemon. I mixed it all together and set it aside. Heat 3-4 tablespoons of oil in a wok. In went the chicken. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. A pinch of paprika or Kashmiri red chili powder for color. The chicken released its juices and cooked down to golden perfection. While that cooked, I made a creamy taco sauce. 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1½ tablespoons of sriracha sauce, 1 teaspoon mustard paste, 1 tablespoon yogurt, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon chicken powder, 1 tablespoon hot sauce. Mixed well and poured into a squeeze bottle for easy drizzling later. Once the chicken was ready, I added the chopped vegetables, gave them a quick toss, just a few seconds on high flame. And then remove from heat. Time to assemble. On a flat pan with a little oil, I toasted small tortillas until lightly golden. On each, I spread some sauce, piled on the chicken and veggies, and topped it with cheddar and mozzarella cheese. The cheese is the magic. It melts and holds everything together. I folded them carefully into taco shapes, letting them crisp up until golden and perfect. I let the tacos crisp up to a beautiful golden finish, and then repeated the same step for the rest. It does take a little time, but trust me, every minute is worth it. These tacos are guaranteed to become your go-to party snack, and the kind that disappears the fastest at any gathering. A sprinkle of dried parsley, an extra drizzle of sauce, and they were ready to devour. One bite and you're hooked. My kids couldn't wait for seconds, and honestly, neither could I. So tell me, what's your favorite taco sauce or dip? Everyone has their own twist, and I'd love to hear yours. See you in another one. Take care and happy cooking.